Shanti. Namaste to everyone.
Namaste.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I am also good. So sit in any comfortable position for opening the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. So yesterday topic was chakra, chakra, chakra. Am I correct?
Yes.
And now we will move further from Mooladhara chakra. We are at Mooladhara chakra. The first chakra, Mooladhara chakra, root chakra.
Yeah.
So write down about Mooladhara chakra, that is root chakra. The root chakra is Ramesh ji, Om Shanti.
Namaste sir. Om Shanti.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
I am also good. So I am teaching about chakra, chakra, chakra. The first,
Chakra.
yeah,
chakra.
chakra. We already completed the definition of chakra, and now we are at Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara, Mooladhara chakra, that is root chakra, ROOT chakra. So area ma'am, write down the root chakra is located at the base of his spine. Give me 1 minute. The root chakra is located at the base of spine. रोहित जी
Yes, sir.
नमस्ते, ओम शांति.
Om Shanti, sir.
You joined today?
Yes, sir. I have joined earlier. Like what I'm because of office, I'm not able to join regularly.
Okay. No problem.
But I saw the videos.
Okay. So our today's topic is chakra.
Okay, sir.
The Mooladhara chakra located at the base of spine and forms the basis of energy system. That forms the basis of energy system. It determines the instincts. It determines the instincts like hunger, sleep, as well as daily survival instincts. It located at the base of spine that forms the basis of energy system and determines the instincts like hunger, sleep, as well as daily survival instincts. The Mooladhara chakra is associated with the element of earth. The Mooladhara chakra is associated with element of earth. And supporting its grounding characteristics. Its grounding characteristics. Its color is red. It has 4 petals. And the chanting mantra for this chakra is Lam. It has 4 petals. And the chanting mantra for this chakra is Lam. And now come to yoga poses. Yoga poses that helps to balance the Mooladhara chakra, such as mountain pose, all warrior poses, mountain pose, all warrior poses, and leg balancing poses. They enable to connect the earth's energy. Through the 4 corners of feet. They enable to connect the earth energy through four corners of feet. That is 4 points. Point of big toe, point of pinky toe, point of inner heel, and point of outer heel. and send that energy upward, and send that energy upward to nourish the entire body, to nourish the entire body. It nourishes the entire.
Can you repeat those 4 points, please?
कैसी मैम?
Hello. Can you please repeat those 4 points?
4 points.
Yes.
Yeah, point of big toe, point of pinky toe, point of big toe, point of pinky toe, point of inner side of heel, point of inner side of heel, and point of outer side of heel. Okay?
Okay, but I thought you said something else too. Yeah, can you repeat that what you said before the 4 points? Because the connection was quite bad here. Maybe you can just repeat it one more time. Thank you.
You want one more time repetition?
Yeah, just what you said before, like sending the energy upward. Where does it go upward? That was hard to understand.
In full body. It goes upward in full body. It covers the full body. It nourishes the full body. It sends the energy, earth energy, upward to nourish the entire body. Clear?
Yeah, but you said something before that.
What? Repeat again.
You said something before that.
Before that. Before that I said about yoga poses, like balancing poses or warrior poses. These are.
No.
Yes.
What happens right before it sends the energy up?
Yeah, they enable to connect the earth's energy. Earth's energy.
That's the heart energy. Okay, and then?
Earth's energy through the 4 corners of the feet.
Ah, now I got it. Okay, perfect.
4
corners of the what? Of the feet.
Yeah, 4 corners of the feet.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Got it. Yes. Thank you.
So further write down the gonadal gland, GONADAL, gonadal gland are most closely associated with Mooladhara chakra. Gonadal gland is most closely associated with Mooladhara chakra. Clear? Casey ma'am?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay. What is the element of Mooladhara chakra?
Earth.
Earth. And it's shown by color red. Its color is red. It has 4 petals and chanting mantra is Lam. Okay? 1 second. Now write down second chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. SWADHI, SWADHI, Swadhisthana chakra, the second chakra. This one. SWADHI, SWADHI, Swadhisthana chakra, also known as pelvic chakra, PELVIC, pelvic chakra. Write down. The second chakra is located in the pelvic area. The second chakra is located in the pelvic area. It is creative center. It is creative center of self-expression. It is creative center of self-expression, emotions and pleasure. It is the creative center of self-expression, emotions and pleasure. The pelvic chakra.
What is ledger?
Pleasure. PLEASURE.
Okay.
Yes, pleasure. The pelvic chakra is associated with water element. The pelvic chakra is associated with water element. And it shares the same flowing features. It shares the same flowing features as water. It has 6 petals. It has 6 petals. And the chanting mantra for this chakra is VAM. 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 In Devanagari, the symbol of VAM is this one. VAM. Its color is orange. The color of Swadhisthana chakra is orange. ORANGE. And now come to yoga poses.
Orange or orange?
ORANGE, orange.
Orange.
Yes. And the color of Mooladhara is red. Color of Swadhisthana is orange. It has 6 petals. Mooladhara has 4 petals. The chanting mantra for Mooladhara is LAM and chanting mantra for Swadhisthana is VAM. Mooladhara associated with earth element and the Swadhisthana chakra associated with water element. Now write down about yoga poses. Twisting yoga poses such as triangle pose. Twisting yoga poses such as triangle pose stimulate abdominal organs. Triangle pose stimulate abdominal organs. To improve circulation within the pelvic area. To improve circulation within the pelvic area. Apart from that, hip opening asanas such as squats, 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 like yogi squat. Malasana, lizard pose. Malasana, same. Yogi squat is Malasana. 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 Lizard pose. Lizard. Lizard. And bound angle pose. BOUND. Bound angle pose. Casey ma'am.
Yes, sir.
What is bound angle pose?
I'm not 100% sure. Can you show us?
Baddha Konasana. That is butterfly pose.
Ah, okay.
Butterfly pose without flapping. Okay?
Okay.
That is bond angle pose.
Baddha Konasana.
Okay. Yeah, Baddha Konasana.
Butterfly pose is also called Bhadrasana.
Yeah?
Butterfly pose also called Bhadrasana.
Yeah, also called Bhadrasana.
Yes.
Without flapping.
Yes.
It helps to bring awareness. These asanas helps to bring awareness to pelvic chakra. It is most closely associated with adrenal gland. It is most closely associated with adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is there near Swadhisthana chakra. In 7 chakras, the 5 chakras are inside the spine. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat and Visuddhi. These 5 chakras are inside the spine but outside the spinal cord. Except Ajna chakra, that is third eye chakra, and Sahasrara chakra, crown chakra. Except these 2 chakras, other 5 chakras are inside the spine but outside the spinal cord. Understood? Casey ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Clear? The location about chakras. 5 chakra inside the spine.
In the side of the spine.
And 2 chakra, that is third eye chakra and crown chakra, are outside of the spine. The Swadhisthana chakra associated.
I have one more question. Which gland is it for the sacral chakra?
Which
You said
gland
a gland.
associated with second chakra? Your question is this? Yes?
Which gland? Sorry.
Yeah, the second chakra associated with, write down,
Yeah.
it is most closely associated with adrenal gland, ADRENAL, adrenal gland, ADRENAL, adrenal gland, GLAND.
I thought you said that the Swadhisthana chakra was associated with the adrenal gland.
The Swadhisthana chakra is associated with adrenal gland, second chakra.
They both are? But she's asking about the sacral chakra.
Sacral chakra?
Yes? Not the second chakra, the sacral chakra.
I am talking about second chakra, that is Swadhisthana chakra, pelvic chakra. Casey ma'am.
So it's Swadhisthana now.
Yeah, second one is Swadhisthana.
Oh, okay, good, good.
Yeah, also known as sacral chakra. This one is sacral chakra because this is near to sacrum. Casey ma'am.
Yes, sir.
This is also known as sacral chakra.
It's the same one.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I missed that.
So now come to third chakra, that is Manipur chakra. MANIPURA. Manipur chakra. MANIPURA Manipur chakra. That is also known as solar plexus chakra. Solar, SOLAR, solar plexus, PLEXUS, solar plexus chakra. It is situated at the navel area. Manipur chakra is situated at navel area.
But that's not the heart chakra then.
Repeat.
That's not the heart chakra. Heart chakra is Anahata.
Anahata?
Yeah.
No. Anahata is the fourth chakra, that is heart chakra. This one is Manipur chakra. That location is near navel. NAVAL.
Yeah, but that's not the heart chakra. You said it was the heart chakra. That's not correct. Heart chakra is the fourth one.
But why are you talking about heart chakra now? I am talking about Manipur chakra. After this, we will talk about heart chakra.
You said heart chakra, that's why.
No, I said solar plexus chakra, not heart. Solar plexus chakra, that is Manipur chakra. It is situated at navel and its color is yellow. Its color is bright yellow. BRIGST, bright yellow. It is the core of your identity. It is the core of your identity, ego, and personality. It is the core of your identity, ego, and personality. It helps to establish sense of willpower. It helps to establish sense of willpower. WILLPOWER. On a physical level, Manipur chakra regulates. On a physical level, Manipur chakra regulates digestive system. Manipur chakra regulates digestive system, eyesight, and locomotion. Manipur chakra regulates digestive system, eyesight, and locomotion. Casey ma'am, what is locomotion? Casey ma'am. What is locomotion?
Locomotion.
Yeah. Displacement of body from one place to another place
Okay.
is locomotion. The Manipur chakra is associated with element of fire. The Manipur chakra is associated with element of fire. It has 10 petals. It has 10 petals. And the chanting mantra for this chakra is Ram. The chanting mantra for this chakra is Ram. RAM.
We have to leave. We have Ashtanga. It's 4.
What is time? Okay, sorry. So let us close the class. We will repeat Manipur chakra once again in tomorrow's class. Sit in any comfortable position.
Sorry. Tomorrow we have a change of plan in school, so we are not attending because we have the cooking class tomorrow
Yeah, so there is no class.
for the Bali Yoga school people. Yeah.
Okay, so we take chakra class in next when Monday, on Monday.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, but there is a class tomorrow is class there for online students. Ramesh ji,
Yes, sir.
we have class tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Rohit ji, you are also online student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow we have class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so sit in any comfortable position. For closing the class, spine straight, Adopt Chin Mudra, eyes closed. Inhale deeply for one time Om. 3 Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.